everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing really well. So today I'm here with a very important topic which will help you distinguish between an original copy of a book and a pirated one. So without further ado, let's get started. So there are many instances of us getting hold of a pirated copy of a book even though we don't want to get one. And especially for a book lover like me, it's very sad if you get hold of a pirated copy. So there are two kinds of pirated copy available outside. One which you can easily identify, anyone for that matter, take one look at the book and he or she will understand that it is a fake copy. And then there's the other kind of pirated books which is very difficult to identify. It is kind of a first copy of the original one. So you must have seen all those local vendors selling books at really cheap price of 100 rupees, 150 rupees on the roadside. Now, just remember that most of the books on these stalls are pirated ones. And most of the pirated books that these people are selling fall in the first category, where you take a look at the book and you get to know that it is a pirated copy. And then there are some e-commerce brands which unfortunately send across some pirated copies of books. Now these are more difficult to identify because they are totally like the original ones, except a few changes here and there, which is very difficult to identify. And today's video is all about helping you with that. So here I'm going to talk about two such books, one which is easily identifiable and the other one which is very difficult to identify as a pirated copy. The first book I'm going to talk about is A Man Called Ove. This one is a pirated copy which I had got hold from a local store, a local stall, as I was saying.
Now you can take one look at the cover and you can say that it is a pirated copy. The cover itself looks very dull and photocopied. Not only that, the print on the back of the cover is out of the cover. It's already cut. So that's another sign that this is a pirated copy. And the most important sign is the pages are all Xeroxed pages. So if you can see here, the shadow of the Xerox machine has been captured here. So all the pages here are A4 sheets which have been Xeroxed and made into a book. So I just picked this book up for this video only. That's the only purpose that I bought this book. And yes, I got it at just 100 rupees. So I think just anyone can take one look at such books and can understand that these are the fake copies. These are the books that we need to stay away from. So I'll move on to my next book, Tuesdays with Moral by Mitch Albom. Now I was super excited to buy this book. I had ordered it on a leading online brand, but unfortunately this book is pirated. Now I won't be naming the online platform from which I ordered, but I was really disappointed to find that this was a pirated copy. Now at the first look, this doesn't at all look like a pirated copy. The company which has come up with such pirated books has done an amazing job to make this book look exactly like the original copy. So if you see the cover, if you see the barcode, and if you scan the barcode even, this product will be listed. So it's really next to impossible to understand that if this is a pirated copy or not. So the only point that they had missed, probably purposefully because it is a pirated copy, is that they have misspelled the writer's name on the spine of the book. And if you check the pages, they are quite good. They are good quality pages and even the print is quite good. So most of the pirated books, they might have some alignment issue with all the pages, the writings, but this book doesn't have so. And even the writings and the print is of good quality. The only other thing that is different from the original copy is the pictures, the images of the writer at the beginning. It looks a bit like a photocopied one. So those are the only things which gives away that this is a pirated copy. Otherwise it's really very difficult to identify it. So Be very careful when you order anything online or when you shop from any local store. Check for these signs. Either it will be a very easily identifiable copy like the one I showed previously, a Xeroxed copy, or something like this where you have to search carefully. You have to look into every page, into every corner, to check the alignment of the pages, the print of the pages, the quality of the pages, and all the spellings and the logos, the hallmark, everything.
So I hope you really enjoyed today's video and it would be helpful for you in the future. I hope I could share some information on the topic of pirated books. So that's it for today's video. We'll meet again very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.